You can let go of my hand. You won't let go, will you? You better let go of my hand. Wait a minute. Just wait a minute, okay? Let me get my shoes off.
Okay.
Okay.
Be walking that long, I don't think.
I just don't even like to on my car because
He's
it's
got the idea of how to move his feet now and everything. He's just got to get his balance.
Come on. You can do it. Come on.
Get
Whoops.
brave enough to get his balance.
Come on. Come on. Come on. You're a big boy. Show Mommy what you can do. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, you can't sit down. Come on.
You got a hard job.
He's a big boy. Come on, you can do it.
Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. See, you can do it. You can get into everything. You can run, play baseball. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Oh, what's that? Come on. I don't know. What was that?